Hi, in 60 seconds, I want to share with you what makes a Smart Catholics event maybe different to what you're used to and what Smart Catholics is all about. Let's start with that. In a nutshell, Smart Catholics invites you to attend online conferences because we're growing an online Catholic community. We believe that lonely Catholics run a risk of turning into bystanders. What we need to do is regroup, make friends, and turn into first responders. We can be magnetic Catholics in the modern world. We're building an online community. We're running regular online events that you're always welcome to, and we're building a library of on-demand video. Now, not everybody wants the online community. Some just want the video. Go ahead, you can start watching free videos at any time. You can unlock for a small amount full conferences and just add them to your online library. And if you do want the insights, inspiration, and daily activities that are happening in the community, come on over and join us for free. We're excited to have you. And remember, the world needs what you have to give.